Many of us struggle a lot in our relationship and always wonder what to do to make our partner happy and build the connection more stronger. For that, we have to tell our partner what makes us feel loved, and we need to show our partner love in the ways that they want to receive it. And the best ways to do it is using the love languages. Gary Chapman has shared 5 love languages in his popular book named The 5 Love Languages. So today we will learn all of them. Love language number 1. Words of affirmation. Everyone loves to hear compliments, encouraging and positive statements. For example, someone says you're looking attractive, or your partner says I love you or thanks to you. You will definitely feel good about that. So this is called words of affirmation, using your words to express your love and telling them how much they are important for you. If these things makes you feel the most loved and happy, then it might be your primary love language. Love language number 2. Acts of service. Have a conversation with your partner that how does he or she feels when you help them out with any task that they were doing. For example, help your partner in cooking, cleaning or any other work, and if they feel really connected with you by that, then you must always do it because it might be your love language. Love language 3. Receiving or giving gift. Gift doesn't mean something expensive. It can be anything like a flower or a chocolate given with love. If giving or receiving gifts makes you feel the most loved and happy, then it might be your primary love language. Love language 4. Spending quality time. Discuss with your partner how does he or she feels when you both spend quality time together, like engaging in meaningful conversation or any activity you both love to do, like a date night, a trip together or anything. If these things makes you feel the most loved and happy and connected with your partner, then always plan to spend quality time with your partner. Love language 5. Physical touch. If physical touch like holding hands, kiss, hug, sitting or laying close together makes you feel the most intimate or happy and loved, then this may be your primary love language. You must talk about these things deeply with your partner to build a great relationship. So that's it for today, everyone. Also share this video with your partner and friends so they can also learn about love languages. And like this video if you find it helpful, and comment down the topic of next video, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful content in the future.